Hi, I'm Noah Lessaris, Strategic Accounts at 123net. I help enterprises design and build future-proof networks. One thing remains unchanged. Data demands will always increase. Data collection, storage, housing, and transportation, we've seen the volume and capacity requirements skyrocket. Paired with the overall increase in volume, there is a critical need for widespread availability and accessibility of the data. In the past, companies were confined to a single facility to share ideas and develop products, and that single location is where the communication and movement of that data both began and ended. Fast forward to today, companies have significantly fewer geographic limitations when it comes to communication and moving data. It's remarkable how teams are now able to spread their resources regionally, nationally, and globally. This is only made possible through a well-designed and well-built network, which can be a daunting challenge, and that's why we're here, to help with that. 123net's Connectivity Hub strategy is our answer to this challenge. It's a design, a model, but above all, it's a strategy, because it's a long-term plan that's developed to deliver capabilities for current and future data demands. It enables what we all want: flexibility, scalability, resiliency, security, and options. We all want options, especially when we're looking into the future, because projecting and estimating are the best we can do when we're planning, but options lower future risk. Here are the specifics. This is a hub and spoke model of using private connections to link client facilities on the spoke back to client equipment in 123net's carrier neutral data centers, the hub. By private connections, that means 10 gig or 100 gig lit or dark fiber, both available in redundant or diverse paths back to the hub. At the hub, connections to the internet, partners or suppliers, other carriers, direct cloud connects, private cloud, and the Detroit Internet Exchange are made in the data center and transported over the private connections back to the client sites on the spoke. This results in a future-proof system capable of rapidly scaling both the quantity and size of connections. All 123net facilities are carrier neutral, meaning we support and encourage other carriers, providers, or vendors to build into our facilities and make their services available to our clients. This is a rare approach because rather than walling off our facilities to keep others away, we've chosen to welcome carriers with open arms. Yes, in many cases, that means inviting our competitors to set up and do business with our clients. Because open source is the direction. That's the only way our connected world will be supported long term. Neutrality is important because it delivers on our commitment to provide options, flexibility, and scalability for the future. The reality is that there is not one single organization that can do everything or be experts in every field. We're not interested in diverting away from our mission. We're staying focused on what we do best, which is building highly capable and connected data centers for our clients' critical infrastructure and expanding our large fiber network to move that data. Industry leaders are making their services available in our facilities, which gives our clients unique advantages. With this all taking place in the same hub data centers, the services are only a short cross-connect away, which one, makes the connection quick, simple, and cost-effective. Two, the connection is made in one location compared to multiple and removes the need for the client to find a way to connect to their other carriers or vendors at their other sites, because that portion is already in place by connecting the hub and the spoke, which is the primary objective of the hub and spoke strategy. One connection results in a multitude of options. Enterprises and multi-location companies, for example, automotive and manufacturing clients, connect their research and development, business, transportation, and production facilities. They can all talk to each other through the 100 gig and dark fiber connections built by 123net's fiber crews. Another beneficiary would be hospital systems. They are currently faced with the need to modernize their networks to support connected devices for staff and patients. And the increase of virtual visits and even virtual procedures or surgeries has added more data to the mix. This is a perfect scenario where the hub and spoke delivers the modernization and brings stability to a critical and rapidly evolving industry. Data-centric companies like high-tech startups in the mobility and autonomous vehicle sectors. They can start small and build a foundation based on current needs like small internet and direct cloud connects, then expand quickly as the company takes flight. Government and education like municipalities and school systems can connect city buildings, campuses, and easily incorporate remote working and learning from the secure hub, removing the reliance on their own facilities to house critical infrastructure, improving uptime and usability for their employees and students. With 123net's Connectivity Hub strategy, you have all the necessary options and resources in arm's length. They're established and ready to go when needed. As the data demands increase, 123net's Connectivity Hub strategy will continue to deliver. This is a future-proof solution that's working today and is the platform our clients will use to grow, adapt, and pivot based on their unique environment. Like I mentioned before, open source is the direction. That's the only way our connected world will be supported long term.